Welcome, today in front of me Realme 8i, and I'll show you how to adjust the ringtone volume on this device. The first step, just go to the settings, here tap on the sound and vibration, and here you get the ringtone. Just by moving this dot to the left and to the right, you can change the ringtone volume. Also, the second way is just press into your volume buttons here on the left side on the phone. Just press on the left sound button, volume button, and to the down volume button, as can you see. Also, you can just tap here and scroll down and up with your finger. So that's how it looks. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.